this video, we will discuss about rotate string. Given two strings S and goal, return true if and only if S can become goal after some number of shifts on S. A shift on S consists of moving the leftmost character of S to the rightmost position. So what they are saying is that in the input you are given two strings which is S and goal. You can perform some number of shifts on S. In one shift, you can move the first character in the string S to the rightmost position. Now what you need to do is that you need to identify whether we can make this string S equal to the string goal after doing some number of shifts. If we can, then you need to return true, otherwise false, right? So if in this case, if you see, our string is A, B, C, D, E and the goal string is C, D, E, A, B. Now these two are not equal, so we will perform a shift. So A will go here, right? So the new string will be B, C, D, E, A. Now again, these two are not equal, so we will try to shift B. Then the string will become C, D, E, A, B. Right? Now if you see that both the strings have become equal, so then that means you can return your answer as true. Right? Now if we check for this particular case, here the string again is A, B, C, D, E. Right? Now this string is not equals to goal, right? Because here ED is present, here DE is there. Right? So let's try to shift A. So we will get B, C, D, E, A. Again, they are not equal. Let's shift B. So it will be C, D, E, A, B. Again, not equal, shift C. So it will be D, E, A, B, C. Again, not equal, shift D. So it will be E, A, B, C, D. Right? Again, they are not equal. So left shift A. So it will be A, B, C, D, E. Now you see that we have tried to shift all the characters, right? And we have got the original string S. In any of them, we were not able to get the string goal, right? So then that means in this case, we cannot make our string S equals to the goal. So our answer will be false, right? So now how are we going to approach is, so see, one of the basic things to notice here is that if in any case the length of string S and string goal are not equal, then that means you can never make them equal. Why? Because we are only shifting the positions of our characters in string S. We are not doing any addition or removal of characters, right? So if their length is different, we can never make them equal. So in that case, our answer is always going to be false, right? So this is one of the conditions that we can take care of. Now, how to identify whether string S can be converted into goal or not? So one of the basic brute force approaches that you try to shift all the characters one by one and then at every point compare string S and goal. If at any point they become equal, return true. Otherwise at the end, if for all of them you could not return true, then at the end return false, right? So in this case, what will happen is that once you will loop in the string S and then inside this you will shift the first character to the last character, right? So the overall time complexity will be n square, right? So now how are you going to optimize this? So if you see that if my S is going to be converted into goal, then at some point, our goal will be present as a substring inside S. So in this case, when the string was A, B, C, D, E, you shifted A, so you got B, C, D, E, A, right? Then you shifted B, so you got C, D, E, A, B, right? Then your two strings became equal, right? Can I say that this goal is present as a substring here? Right? So basically what I want is that if I try to shift every character of S, then in any of those strings, am I getting the string equals to goal or not? So if I am able to get all the possible strings that I can achieve out of S, I can just check is goal present in that or not, right? Now generating all those strings was taking n square time. Now how are we going to reduce that is, so if you see, if I write this string twice, right? If I write this string twice, so it will be A, B, C, D, E and A, B, C, D, E, right? Now if you see here that this string is also A, B, C, D, E, right? These are all the possible strings that we can have by shifting all the characters, right? So if you will see that all of these strings will be present as a substring inside this string. So if you see A, B, C, D, E is present here, then B, C, D, E, A, so this is also present here. Then C, D, E, A, B, this is also present here. D, E, A, B, C, this is also present here. And similarly, these two are also present here. So can we say that whatever are the possible versions of S, all of them are present here in S, right? If our answer is true, then this goal string will also be present as a substring inside this particular string, right? Because if our answer is true, then that means one of these strings will match the goal, right? Then only our answer will be true, right? So Since all of these versions are present as a substring inside this particular string, then this goal will also be present as a substring inside this particular string. So now your question just reduces to finding out whether goal is present as a substring or not inside S plus S, right? This is nothing but string S plus string S, right? So if goal is present as a substring inside S plus S, then your answer will be true. Otherwise, it will be false. Now here you are only checking, or you are only finding out whether this is present as a substring or not. So in this case, your time complexity is going to be linear. So that's how we have reduced our time complexity. So now let's code it out. So first of all, we will check the condition that if the length of S and goal are not equal, right? Then in that case, we can never make S equals to the goal. So we will return false here itself, right? Then what we need to check is goal present as a substring inside S plus S. So let's create another string x equals to S plus S and then return x dot find goal, and it is not equals to string enpose. So whenever this particular string, which is goal in this case, is not present in x, then this is the value that you get, right? So that's why we are checking here that if it is not equals to the end, then that means goal is present, so return true, otherwise return false, right? Also, you can eliminate the need of creating this string. You can directly check for S plus S here, right? Then you can eliminate the need of creating string x also. So this is also going to work in the same way, right? So let's run this now. So our test cases are accepted. Let's submit this. So it got accepted. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe our channel.